Rose plant leaves turning yellow is a very common issue. It's not a big problem and you can fix it yourself at home by following this video. We will see what causes yellow leaves on rose plants and what their solutions are. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most common cause of yellow leaves on a rose plant is related to nutrition. When your rose plant doesn't get enough nutrients, it starts turning its leaves yellow. The nutrients that mostly cause yellow leaves are magnesium and nitrogen. This is the most common cause, so we have to understand it carefully. Take the example of this plant. This is a very healthy and well established plant that is already growing new leaves, but it has not been fertilized for quite some time. Now I can see a few leaves with yellow patches on them. You might not have fertilized your plant for a long time. Simply remember when you last fertilized it. If your answer is recently, then check the fertilizer you used. Which fertilizer did you use? Was it nutrients rich or not? Rose plants are heavy feeders. They require a variety of nutrients in a balanced form. You should always use a good fertilizer instead of any random fertilizer for rose plant. If your fertilizer doesn't contain nitrogen and magnesium, yellow leaves can appear. Another thing that commonly happens is related to soil pH. When the soil pH rises or drops too much, it affects the absorption of nutrients by the roots. In other words, the nutrients might be present in the soil, but the roots are unable to absorb them. To verify this, simply use a pH meter. It's added in the description box to buy. If the pH is too high or too low, this might be the issue. For the complete solution to fertilizer related yellow leaves, you can simply use compost liquid fertilizer. I suggest liquid fertilizer because it is absorbed by the roots very quickly. The compost contains many essential nutrients. If your plants are showing yellow leaves with patches, this can help fix the problem. Many types of leaf issues can be improved by using compost fertilizer. For making compost liquid fertilizer, you can follow the video linked in the description box. Another reason why rose plant leaves starts turning yellow is the stress and shock. When a rose plant experiences some kind of stress or shock for a period of time, it may start turning its leaves yellow. This is natural. The plant is simply showing that something is wrong. Stress or shock can occur for many reasons. The most common one is transplant shock. After transplanting, yellow leaves may appear within a few days, and when the season changes quickly, it can also shock the plant. Most of the time, stress and shock pass automatically. Shocks caused by overwatering, too much heat, or over-fertilization can be dangerous, so you need to be very careful. Another common cause of yellow leaves on a rose plant is lack of light. Rose plants are flowering plants and they require plenty of direct sunlight in order to grow well. If your plant is not receiving enough sunlight, its leaves starts turning pale yellow. Take the example of this plant. It is placed between many other plants. The sunlight cannot reach the lower part of the plant, which results into yellowing leaves. Simply move the plant to a bright, sunny spot and it will start growing new healthy leaves. And subscribe to our channel if you like to see more of such videos. Another common cause of yellow leaves on rose plant is pest attack. Certain pests such as aphids, mealybugs and other insects suck sap from the stems and leaves of the rose plant. This weakens the plant, reduces its nutrition and affects its immune system. The plant's growth slows down and yellow leaves may start appearing. You may also notice black patches on yellowing leaves, slow growth and sometimes curling leaves. So regularly check your rose plant. If it has a pest attack, immediately use a neem oil spray. Spray neem oil all over the infected plant. A video guide on making neem oil spray at home is also added in the description box. You can follow that. As soon as the pest attack is controlled, you can add a good fertilizer to the soil such as compost tea, and your plant will start growing new healthy leaves again. Another reason that can result in yellow leaves on a rose plant is unsuitable soil media. Rose plants are not very beginners friendly, they require specific conditions, and when they do not get them, they start showing problems. In the case of soil media, leaves may start turning yellow when the soil is too compact or when it doesn't drain out extra moisture effectively. A compact soil mixture limits the growth of new roots. This also happens if your plant is root bounded. Sometimes the soil is good, but the pot is too small. Simply try to insert your finger into the soil. If it goes in easily, your soil is good, but if it feels very hard, then there is a problem. You need to use a well-draining, soft and loose soil media. Without it, rose plants cannot grow properly. You can easily make such a mixture at home by mixing coco peat, compost and garden soil. I have made a video on making the most ideal soil media for many plants. I personally use this mixture for most of my plants and it works amazingly well. You can find the video in the description box. One more reason for yellow leaves on a rose plant is the natural life cycle of the leaf. If you see the older leaves of a rose plant turning yellow and then falling off without any major reason, it simply means that the leaves have completed their life cycle. If your rose plant is producing new green and healthy leaves, then your plant is completely fine and you do not need to worry. If you are very interested in growing rose plants, I suggest learning proper rose plant growing tips. You can follow the video linked here. By applying those tips, you can get better flowering from your rose plant. So simply follow it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos.